I just discovered this one in that pile of cassette tapes. Somebody donated to me like that big amount of tapes. I've never seen something like this before. I mean, it's totally clear what it does. I mean, it actually reads it here. I have never seen such a device before. I'm gonna change the battery and then I test it out. It looks like an ordinary cassette tape, and you see there are some electronics in there. That thing comes from TDK, which was, or maybe still is, I'm not sure if anybody makes cassettes, but I actually got one here, which is still not opened. As I said, if you see my channel, I got a few hundred cassettes from somebody just so, and even some unopened, and I guess that's maybe a good quality. Anyways, so this device was used in the old days to clean the head in your tape deck. Maybe younger viewers would not even know how that works, and I guess you would put that in there, and since there is no battery, I cannot use it, but then you would press play, and then that thing would start, and then it would demagnetize the... So anyways, here's a button, or let's rather say, I guess that's a kind of a LED. And so I wonder actually why there are so many electronic parts in there just to demagnetize tape. But maybe that's how they did it in the days. And I'm gonna replace the battery. I'll check it out if that thing works. And once I replace the battery and it works, I'll put it in there, and then I'll shoot another video for you guys. So maybe somebody like me, like you out there, haven't seen such a thing. I keep it anyways because it just looks pretty cool, right? It's like old and forgotten technology, but I guess at the time people used that. I'm not sure if that was expensive or not. As a kid, I never had such a fancy thing I never actually cleaned it. Maybe I cleaned it with alcohol and Q-tips, but I did not even know that such a thing exists.